Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious cornbread muffins from scratch. First, gather your dry ingredients like 1 cup of cornmeal, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then, prepare your wet ingredients: 1 cup of milk, 1 large egg, and 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Ensure all ingredients are at room temperature for best mixing. Now, let's mix our batter. In a large bowl, combine all your dry ingredients, whisking them together well. In a separate bowl, whisk your milk, egg, and oil until fully blended. Pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Stir gently with a spoon or spatula until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to tough muffins. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Prepare a 12-cup muffin tin by greasing it or lining it with paper cups. Fill each muffin cup about 2/3 full with your batter. Place the tin in the preheated oven and bake for 15 to 20 minutes, or until the tops are golden brown and a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Once baked, remove the muffins from the oven and let them cool in the tin for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack. These delicious cornbread muffins are best served warm. Enjoy them with a pat of butter, a drizzle of honey, or your favorite jam. Store any leftover muffins in an airtight container at room temperature to keep them fresh.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.